Hi there, U.S. government students. Mr. Kerr here as we get into our final week and a half, 2 weeks here. We're calling it week 16 and 17, Unit 3 final activities. So what we are going to do is I'm going to show you the work up through the end of the semester, and that's what we'll go with. So first step is watching this video. So you're doing that. So you got that going. And then we're going to have 2 discussion boards leading up to the Unit 3 final. Now, as this Unit 3 final is going to be very similar to our other, the Unit 1 and Unit 2 finals. You're going to be given 6 documents. You're going to have a prompt, and you're going to use 3 of the 6 documents to help you answer the prompt. We're going to put a little twist on it that if you want to bring in another assignment from this unit or some other outside document, you can replace that with your 3rd document, but you'll see that in there. Again, we will have this this point paragraph, your introductory paragraph, to post that first on a discussion board so that you can get feedback from your classmates. And then we're also going to add an evidence discussion, which means the 3 supporting paragraphs, the 3 supporting documents, you're going to write those up on a second discussion board, again getting feedback from your classmates, and before finally turning that in. Let me see if I can. So here's what we have with your schedule. Starting Tuesday, watching the weekly video, checking your grades, review overall work, yada, 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 all that good stuff, and starting your point paragraph. By Wednesday, it'd be great if you could post, so you read over the final, you have some idea. And remember, when you post on the intro point paragraph discussion board, this is still a rough draft. It doesn't have to be your finished. In fact, I'd like to see that your finished introductory paragraph that you actually turn in for the final, you've incorporated some of the stuff that your classmates, some suggestions that your classmates have given you. So start working on that. You can start on the evidence discussion board as well. Let's try to get the first discussion board, the point paragraph discussion board, pretty well done by Thursday. I think I have it due on Friday, but try and get it done. Evidence discussion board, try and get that done by Friday, so that folks really have over the weekend and then Monday and then into Tuesday. So we're actually going to extend the week out. This is why we call it week 16 and 17. And trying to make sure everything is complete and turned in by Tuesday the 18th. Now, you do have a little bit of extra time to get things done in this class and get them all turned in and everything, but strongly suggest that you try and do that by Tuesday. So if there's any question, we still have almost 48 hours at that point to kind of tie up any loose ends and everything. Also, I might throw on a quick survey at the end here as well for you. So with that, schedule here, and of course everything here. As always, you need to be checking your grades. End of the semester, this is the end of the class. You can't come back in January and say, oh, can I redo this? No, this is the end of the class. So if you're missing anything, got to get it in. And if you need to redo anything or have any questions, gotta let me know now. Start here folder is where it always is. Certainly would love for you to go back over Unit 1 and Unit 2 as we're getting take a look at your diagnostics and at the unit finals for those. And here we are at the end. So let me know if you have any questions. Looking forward to seeing some really good work here at the end of this. It's been a pleasure having you as students here in this class this semester, and some of you I'll see you next semester, but we'll see. All right, thanks. Talk to you later. Bye.